The Philippine Coast Guard said no new evidence was found on the third day of its search and retrieval operations in Taal Lake for the missing Sabongeros. But operations will continue and expand beyond the initial Ground Zero site. Here is the report.
At a depth of 50 to 70 feet, the technical diving team of the Philippine Coast Guard discovered the sacks on Saturday, the second day of their search and retrieval operation. This site in Laurel, Batangas was identified by whistleblower Julie Dondon Patidongan as the alleged dumping ground of the missing Sabongeros. Underwater footage shows the sacks covered in mud. According to the PCG, to prevent the contents from spilling during recovery, the sacks are wrapped in nets and sealed inside new sacks.
Common sense lang naman yun na pag inangat mo at may opening, it might fall out, no? Hindi natin mape-preserve yung integridad ng mga nakukuha natin sa bottom.
The official insists that no evidence is being planted.
That's normal, no? We cannot, sabi nga lang, we cannot please everyone. Tuloy-tuloy lang namin gagawin yung aming trabaho professionally, diligently, and properly.
On the third day of the search, no new evidence was found. The PCG said the team will expand the search area beyond the initial Ground Zero site.
Lumipat na tayo from yung last na nakuha natin kahapon, no, na suspicious object. Nag-move tayo ng northeast, no, 10 meters northeast.
Because of the ongoing search, businesses dependent on the lake have been heavily affected, including the tawiris and tilapia industries in the town of Balete.
Kaubos po kami ng 100 kilos sa isang araw. Ngayon po, mga 20. Minsan nga po, 10 kilo lang sa maghapon. Parang hina po, tuman po talaga. Ang aasahang iba, pagka wala pong isda, wala pong mga trabaho, kung di ganyan lang ang hanap buhay.